something you need to understand about Forex is market structure. Market structure is very, very important. You need to know when you see a break of structure, when you see a change of character, when you see, because if you can spot all those things, you know when a chart is, when a when the chart is reversing, you know when it's continuing. So it's very, very, very important for you to understand market structure, because market structure is basically almost everything. Market structure is very, very important. And another thing you need to understand also is what how to risk, how to risk. Being able to manage your risk is very, very important. Some people might see, in fact, is that if you can't grow an account with 0.01, it's 0.01. How are you sure you'll be able to grow account when you're using 0.05 lot size or 0.1 lot size? That's just the fact. That's the fact. There's one thing I did to myself. I challenged myself. Was it, yeah, last year to this January, from December to January. Yeah, people were telling me that it's not possible. You can't be profitable using 0.01. And I was like, it is possible. That how you say it's not possible. Then I challenged myself. I started using 0.01 from December 1st to January. Was it January? Yes, the ending of January. Yes, for like that's 2 months. I did it, and still I still made a very, very good profit. Very good profit. More than some people that are using 0.1 or 0.05. Yes. Why? Because my risk to reward ratio is very, very high, and my winning rate is very, very high also. So I was able to make this profit. So that's why you really need to understand market structure one, and understand how to risk two. And you actually have to understand the seasons of the market. Sometimes that your market might be going somehow. This is why you have to reduce your lot size. This is when you need to reduce your lot size rather, because when you see that okay, market is going somehow, it's going opposite direction most of the time, and you're doing it well, because sometimes that you analyze well and still market goes the opposite way, is normal. It's normal. So this is the time you need to reduce your lot size and see what's going on. You have to be able to trade different seasons of the market, not session, but different seasons of the market, because the seasons and the session also. So you really have to like master all these things. Another thing is your emotion, being disciplined, and being able to wait for the right entry. That's why I keep saying, if you're not disciplined, if you're not patient enough, I advise you to use a low lot size. Use a low lot size to grow this confidence. Use this low lot size to get disciplined. Because if you are disciplined with the low lot size, then you cannot think of increasing your lot size. That's just my advice, and that's what I did. That actually helped me. It helped my trading journey, and I can assure you, if you can follow this, the game changer for you. So you can actually uh join our Telegram community. The link is in our bio. You can join the Telegram community, you get free signals, and also we have our mentorship package if you want that you can DM. So thank you.